Hi all, welcome to TutySpot. This is the first class in compiler design subject. So in this video, let's discuss the introduction to compiler design. So what is this compiler design? Compiler design is the study of how to create a compiler. And compiler is a software program that translates source code into mission code. So what is this software? What are these source codes and mission codes? So let's discuss about this briefly in this video. In general, computer is the combination of software and hardware. That means both software components and hardware components. Software means a program. That means a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do to perform a specific task. And hardware means the physical components like keyboard, mouse and all the devices. We have two types of software. First is the application software and second is the system software. Application software is a type of program designed to perform specific tasks for the user, like addition of two numbers or finding even numbers or browsing the internet or photo editing or any other task. Here the user develops the program. Whereas the system software is the software that helps your computer to run smoothly. It manages the computer hardware and provides the foundation for programs to work. It includes things like operating system like Windows or Linux, compilers, assemblers, drivers, tools that keep everything working properly. And next, coming to the types of programming languages. Usually, programming languages are the foundation of software development, allowing developers to create applications, websites, and systems through computer understandable instructions. And we have three types of programming languages. First is the high-level programming language. It is also called as source language. And next is the low-level programming language. It is also called as mission language. And third one is the middle level programming language. It is also called as assembly level programming language. So let's discuss about high level programming languages. These high level programming languages are human readable languages. It is portable across computers and it contains alphabets, digits and symbols. They need both compiler and interpreter to run. Some of the examples of high level language include Python, C, C++, Java, JavaScript and many more. We can develop application software using this high-level programming language. And the next is low-level programming language. This low-level programming language is close to the mission code and it gives more control over hardware, but it is harder for the users to write. It will be in the binary language, that means in zeros and ones. We can develop system software using this low-level programming language. Basically, it is a computer understandable language. And the last one is middle level programming language. It is also called as assembly level language. It is a mix of both this high level language and low level language. Assembler converts this assembly level language into the mission code. Examples of this assembly level language is C program. Means we can develop both high level and low level programming languages using this C program as well as C++. Initially, Unix OS was developed using B language by Ken Thompson. Then by overcoming some issues, C language was developed. Then the Unix OS was rewritten by C language. So in this video, we have discussed what the program is and what are the source codes and mission codes. So simply, compiler is the set of instructions given to the computer to translate this high-level language into the low-level language. And the study of how to create this compiler is known as the compiler design. So this is the introduction to compiler design. In the further videos, let's discuss deep into this compiler design topic. Thank you.